This is Subhashri from SNSCT Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So we are going to see about the subset selection methodologies. So what is a subset selection? Feature selection techniques in machine learning. Feature selection is a way of selecting the subset of the most relevant features from the original feature set by removing the redundant, irrelevant or noisy features. So here comes the original data set. From the original data set, we will remove the subsets. Okay, we will take the subsets. We will subdivide the data into several units. So here we need to split the data, which data is most necessary, which data is less necessary, and which data is unnecessary data. So that already we have seen about the data set, cleaning about the data set, right? So filtration of data sets is the main concept of feature selection. Which data is very important, which data is dependent on another data, which data is independent data. We can filter out the data based on its importance. Okay, while developing the machine learning model, only a few variables in the data set are useful for building the model. The rest of features are either redundant or irrelevant. So if we input the data set with all these redundant and irrelevant features, it may negatively impact and reduce the overall performance and accuracy of the model. Hence, it is very important to identify and select the most appropriate features from the data and remove the irrelevant or less important features, which is done with the help of feature selection in machine learning. It is one of the most important concepts of machine learning which highly impacts the performance of the model. As machine learning works on the concept of garbage in and garbage out, so we always need to input the most appropriate and relevant data set to the model in order to get a better model development. But before that, let's first understand some basics of feature selection. So what is feature selection? What is the need for it? And how the feature selection methods or techniques are to be utilized, and how it is to be used as a statistical methodology, right? So what is a feature selection? It is an attribute that has an impact on a problem or is useful for the problem too. Choosing the important features from the model is known as a feature or a subset selection. So which machine learning process depends on feature engineering? Each and every machine learning process that depends on feature engineering, which mainly contains two processes, namely feature selection and feature extraction. So although feature selection and extraction process may have the same objective, both are completely different from each other. The main difference between them is the feature selection is about selecting the subset of the original feature set, whereas feature extraction creates the new features. Okay, let's understand the concept first of all. Selecting the subset of the original feature set is different from extracting the new features. Okay, that is creation of new features. That is feature extraction. What is the need for it? We already see what is the machine learning process, what is the how to develop a data model, and how to develop a how to develop a model to train the data, and what is meant by testing a data, and what is meant by training data. We already know everything. So here if we need to implement any technique, it is really important to understand need for the technique and so for the feature selection also. As we know, in machine learning, it is necessary to provide a pre-processed and good input data set in order to get better outcomes, right? A huge amount of data to train our model and help it to learn better. Generally, the data set consists of noisy data, relevant data, and some part of useful data too. We all know that the data which is an original data which also includes noisy features. Noisy in the sense the unwanted features. Okay, the huge amount of data also slows down the training process of the model. If we keep on checking the data one by one, it is a very time consuming procedure, right? And with the noise and irrelevant data, the model may not predict the performance. So the performance will not be increased. So it is very necessary to remove such noises and less important data from the data set. And to do this, feature selection techniques are widely used. So selection of best features helps the model to perform well. Even its accuracy will also be improved. So for example, let us take here need to create a model that automatically decides which car should be crushed for a spare part. And to do this, we have a data set. This data contains a model of the car, year, owner's name, miles that have been taken into an account. So in this data set, the name of the owner does not contribute to the model performance, as it does not decide if the car should be crushed or not, right? For crushing the car, do we need to know who is the owner of the car? That's our main thing. So we can remove this column and select the list of features for the model building. Below are some benefits of using feature selection in a machine learning. It helps in avoiding the curse of dimensionality too. It helps in the simplification of the model so that it can be easily interpreted by the researchers. It reduces the training time. It reduces overfitting, hence enhancing generalization. We already know what is meant by generalizability. So, using the correct necessary data to improve the model's performance, that is generalization, right? So, feature selection techniques. There are two mainly used feature selection techniques, which are supervised feature selection and the next one is unsupervised feature selection. In the supervised feature selection technique, let's consider the target variable which can be used for the labeled dataset. Whereas in unsupervised feature selection, we can ignore the target variable and can be used for the unlabeled dataset, right? So, it can be explained in diagrammatic representation, supervised feature selection and unsupervised feature selection. Whereas in supervised feature selection, there are three types: filters method, embeddeds method and wrappers method. So to find out the supervised feature selection technique, missing value, information gain, chi-square test and Fisher score are to be used. Whereas in embedded method, regularization of L1 and L2 and random forest importance should be used. Whereas in wrappers method, forward feature selection, backward feature selection, exhaustive feature selection and recursive feature elimination should be used. Okay, thank you. Let's see in the next video.